Why do we place such immense value on owning a home? In many ways, it's more than just a shelter. It's a cornerstone of wealth, a beacon of stability, and a legacy to pass on. Today, dive into the fascinating world of real estate investment and explore why, over the past 2 decades, it has outshined many other forms of investment. Imagine the year 2004, a world just stepping into the digital age, with real estate beginning its climb to becoming one of the most robust sectors in the investment universe. Fast forward to 2023, and the landscape has transformed dramatically. Property values have not merely increased, they have soared, often outpacing other investments like stocks or bonds. This growth isn't just numbers on a page, it reflects a basic human need: space. As the global population climbs, so does the demand for land and housing. People need places to live, work, and relax, and with finite land available, the value of real estate naturally climbs. This fundamental demand drives property values consistently upward, making real estate a uniquely resilient investment. Consider the emotional and cultural factors too. For many, owning a home is intertwined with personal success and stability. This sentiment is particularly strong in places like Karachi, Pakistan, where historical and cultural factors amplify the desire to own land. Immigrants and locals alike see home ownership not just as a financial strategy, but as a fulfillment of a long-cherished dream, a slice of personal sovereignty. Now let's talk about the golden rule of real estate: location, location, location. The value of a property is profoundly influenced by where it is. A prime location that's close to amenities, public services, and scenic views can vastly increase a property's worth and investment potential. This principle holds true whether you're buying a home to live in or as an investment property. As we wrap up, remember that real estate isn't just another asset class. It's a vital part of a diversified investment strategy, offering not just financial returns, but also security and a tangible connection to a place. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, the real estate market presents opportunities that span beyond mere monetary gains. It offers a place to call your own and a stable foundation for future growth. In conclusion, real estate stands as a compelling option for anyone looking to build wealth over time. With consistent value appreciation driven by fundamental human needs and desires, coupled with the intrinsic value of location, real estate remains one of the most robust investments available.